Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create Sandbox in Infinite Craft. So to create Sandbox in Infinite Craft, what you want to do is get water. And then get fire. Put it on the side. Actually, no, put it together. And then get another fire. Get an engine. After that, get steam. Actually, no, get earth. And then get wind with the earth. Create dust, and then get dust under the dust. Make sand and put the sand to the engine to create a sandbox. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.